Hello, welcome back to my channel. So I have this one video that is extremely popular on my channel for some reason. I actually never thought it was going to be as popular as it became. And then I had somebody ask me if I could share the file that I used. I did try that. I ended up uploading the wrong file, and I do apologize for that. However, in this video, I will show you guys the template that I have created for you. So over here, we have 4, 5, and 6, right? If I unhide layer 4, unlock it, everything else is already set. The only thing you need to do is just start drawing. And as you can see, it starts to show you a mandala for 4 points, right? So I'm just going to undo this. I'm going to lock that again. I'm going to unhide this. Same thing, right? It would help if I was on the right layer. Alright, so now, ta-da, I have 5. That was terrible. So, as you can see, you can make some pretty cool designs. And they can end up being very complicated depending on how you make it, right? And this is all up to your imagination. I don't know what I'm doing. Also, you can always go up here and change. For example, I'm going to change it to this. I'm going to change it to this. I'm going to raise the stroke. And there you go. Alright, so I'm going to undo that. And do the same thing for the last one. Right? I'm going to go up here. And for this one, I'm going to do something a little bit different. Because I don't know. I'm just going to wing it. Alright, so as you notice, I'm just making the design. However, I still have all these guides, right? And what I need to do here is after I'm done making the mandala design that I want, I need to go over here and first of all, I'm not going to hide this path, right? That's for the, like this thing, right? That's what's going to create the illusion that everything's connecting. What I am going to do is hide the guides at the very bottom. So I need to hide what's underneath the clipping mask and the little guides over here, and then the guides at the bottom. And there you go. You have your own mandala template. Now, obviously, make sure you go to File, Save As, and you save it as a different file so that way you don't end up overwriting this and having to download it again and everything. So this is just a quick video. I hope you guys enjoy this, and till next time, bye.